Yesterday, former Punjab leader Prakash Singh Badal passed away at a private hospital in Mohali. He was 95 years old. Prakash Singh Badal was a five-time former Chief Minister of Punjab and Shiromani Akali Dal leader. A statement from the hospital said, despite appropriate medical management, S. Prakash Singh Badal succumbed to his illness. Fortis Hospital Mohali deeply condoles the death of S. Prakash Singh Badal. Hospital Director Abhijit Singh said that the Punjab leader died at around 8 pm. The former Chief Minister was admitted to Fortis Hospital in Mohali a week ago after he complained of uneasiness while breathing. Prakash Singh Badal was born in Punjab's Abul Khurana close to the Rajasthan border and studied at Lahore's Foreman Christian College. The veteran leader gained political significance when he started serving as a village sarpanch. He started climbing the political ladder soon after when he contested assembly elections for the first time in 1957 when he was 30 years old. Prakash Singh Badal was the youngest chief minister to ever hold office in the state of Punjab. He was 43 years old at the time. In a career spanning over 7 decades, he lost only 2 elections, one in 1967 and the latest in 2022 Punjab Assembly election. He was even booked during Operation Blue Star in June of 1984 when the army had entered the Golden Temple complex at Amritsar to flush out militants. His party broke off ties with the BJP over the farmers' agitation against the centre's new agricultural laws in 2020. Prakash Singh Badal returned his Padma Vibhushan award, which he received in 2015 in protest against the treatment of the protesting farmers by the central government. The Akali Dal leader opposed the idea of Satluj Yamuna link or SYL canal meant to share river water with neighbouring Haryana. Under his leadership, the State Assembly passed the controversial Punjab Satluj Yamuna link canal transfer of propriety rights bill in 2016. The central government announced state mourning will be observed across India to pay respect to the veteran leader. The 2-day state mourning will be observed from April 26th to 27th, that is tomorrow and today, where the national flag will be flown at half-mast on all buildings where it is flown regularly, and there will be no official entertainment for these 2 days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the tributes to the Punjab leader, calling him a colossal figure of Indian politics and a remarkable statesman. One of his tweets read, extremely saddened by the passing away of Shri Prakash Singh Badal ji. He was a colossal figure of Indian politics and remarkable statesman who contributed greatly to our nation. He worked tirelessly for the progress of Punjab and anchored the state through critical times. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh termed the veteran leader's death a personal loss. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge expressed his deepest condolences to Badal's family. His tweet read, although we differed in our ideologies, he earned immense respect among the people of Punjab for his simplicity and loyalty to his cadre as he served multiple terms as CM. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi also tweeted, saying, I express my deepest condolences to all his bereaved family members and supporters, including Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.